Let's see how to install the latest version of MySQL, specifically 8.4 on Ubuntu 24.04. So if I open my terminal and I run MySQL version, we can see that I already have MySQL installed, but it's not the latest version. It's version 8.0 and I want version 8.4. Now, trying to install MySQL from the Ubuntu repositories using apt, this is not going to cut it, because if I run this command, it's letting me know that MySQL is already installed, but as you can see, the version that is in the repositories is 8.0. So what we need to do is to open the web browser. Then we need to go to mysql.com, just like this, mysql.com. Here I'm going to choose downloads. Then we need to scroll down, and here we have the option to download MySQL community downloads at the bottom. So let me choose this option, and here we can see MySQL community server. This is what we want. Let's choose this option. Now, as for the version, we have a few options, but we're going to go with 8.4. We then need to select the operating system, and since I am on Ubuntu, I'm going to choose from this list Ubuntu Linux. Then we need to choose the version of the operating system, and I'm going to go with 24.04. Now here we can see that there are quite a lot of files, quite a lot of deb packages that need to be downloaded. But instead of downloading them one by one, we have this big deb bundle which will download everything we're going to need. So let's download this. It's quite a big download, but this is the file that we need. And here I'm going to click on no thanks, just start my download, and it will start the download. And the files are now being downloaded. Won't take too long. Okay, this is done. Let's get back to the terminal. And now I'm going to change directory to the downloads folder. Okay, so cd downloads. And if we list the files here, we can see the MySQL bundle that we just downloaded. This is a tar archive. So basically it means that it contains a lot of smaller files. So just to keep things in order, I'm going to create here a new folder. I'm going to call it MySQL 8.4. And now let me move this file to this folder. And the reason I'm doing it is that after we extract the content of the tar archive, it will be quite a lot of file, and I don't want to contaminate my downloads folder. So I prefer everything in this tar archive to be concentrated in one place. And this is why I'm going to start by moving this file to the new folder. So move the file, the tar file, to the new folder, which is called MySQL. I have a typo here, and that doesn't matter. MySQL 8.4. Okay, it was moved, and now let's get into this new folder. So my folder, and here we have this tar archive. We now need to extract the content of the tar archive, and we can do that using the command tar. So tar-xf for extract file, and then the name of the file, which is MySQL blah blah blah. And let's run this command. It will take a minute or two. It's actually quite faster. So it's already done, and now the content of the tar archive was extracted, and if we list the files in this folder, we can see all of these deb packages. So all that's left is installing them. Now, before moving on to actually install these packages, I want to remove the current version of MySQL that I currently have, which is MySQL 8.0. Because trying to install MySQL 8.4 when we already have 8.0, this is going to cause problems. So the best way to go about it is to remove what we currently have, the old version, and then it will be much easier to install this version. But to prevent confusion, I don't want to do it from this folder, because this folder contains MySQL 8.4. So let me go one level up, and from here I'm going to remove 8.0. So to do that, we can run sudo apt purge, and purge is the command that we're going to use to remove the packages from the repository. And here I'm going to write MySQL, and if I hit tab now, we can see that we have quite a lot of them, and I want to remove all of them. So this is why I'm going to type here asterisk or star. And this will uninstall all of the packages that are related to 8.0. So let's run this command, and it's letting us know that some space will be freed. That's fine, so yes. Okay, and let's run apt install just to make sure that everything is okay. I'm not going to install any package, but it will help me know if anything needs to be taken care of. So we can see that it suggests to run this command, sudo apt auto remove. So let's do that. So sudo apt auto remove, and yes again. And let's try it one more time. So apt install, and we can see that we are fine now. So now we're not supposed to have any remains from MySQL 8.0, and we can move on to the installation of 8.4. So let's get back to the folder inside the downloads folder. It was this folder. And once again, let's list the files here. And we basically need to install all of these deb packages, but the order matters. So here is what we're going to do. First, we want to install these, and the libmysql, the first two, they need to be installed last, okay? The first two need to be installed last. So to install all of these, this is what I'm going to do. Sudo apt install, and then I want to install something from this current directory. So // and then MySQL, because this is the prefix of all of these files. And now I'm not going to specify the file that I want to install, but I'm going to go with a star, which will install all of them. But we only want the DEB, or the deb files. We don't want the tar file. And this is why here I'm going to specify .deb. We're only going to install the files whose extension is DEB. And let's run this command. And it's letting us know that the dependencies will be installed, so this is fine, yes. And everything is now being installed. It's letting me know that the data directory was found. This is fine. I'm just going to click on OK. We now need to provide the root password and enter again. We need to re-enter it and enter once more. And it's finishing up the installation. Okay, so it was installed. And now let me list the files again. And as you might remember, these two, we ignored them. We did not install them, so we need to install them now. And as you can see, both of them have the same prefix, libmysql client. Once again, we're going to use apt install to install them. So sudo apt install. And once again, they are in the current folder, so // and then the prefix, which is libmysql. And of course, we have two of these files, and I want to install both of them, so star. And let's go ahead and install them. And they are now installed as well. If we now run MySQL --version, we can see that we now have MySQL version 8.4.7.